Hey, I hope I have a good connection. It took me a minute to get on here. So, hey everybody, Liz here. Hey. I feel like don't have a complete video if I don't do my jazz hands. So, here's the thing. I know you're watching me. I know you are. I know you're watching me. I know that perhaps you've been stalking me. Yeah, I know it because I've had 10 people contact me in the last 2 days asking me questions about, Liz, what are you doing? What is going on? I need for you to explain things. Explain them, okay? So I'm going to break it down real simple for you guys, for you stalkers, okay? For you people who have been afraid to comment, afraid that I'm trying to sell you something. I'm going to break it down real super simple for you, okay? Super Simple Friday, all right? So, I partnered with Ibuumerang on April 3rd, and so I'm almost 90 days in. And so, what is Ibuumerang? Ibuumerang is a travel technology company. So, we help people save money on travel. Okay, so let me break it down for you. All right, are you ready? Are you ready? So here's the thing: if you want to save money on travel, I give a free travel booking website where you can go and find travel at a discount. There's no membership fees. There's no quotas. There's nothing, guys. I'm just giving you a free website. I'm not asking you to buy anything. I'm not asking nothing. Okay? It's free. It's free. Okay? So, if you want to save on travel, contact me or comment down below. I'll give you a free site. That's it. That's it. Okay. So now, if that's all you want to do is save money on travel, stop watching this video right now. Just stop it. Stop it. That's all you need to know. Okay. But for those of you who are like, wait a minute, Liz. Wait just one gosh darn minute, Liz. What do you mean? Well, why are you doing that? Why are you giving away free travel saving sites? Okay, let me tell you how it works. It's pretty darn fantastic. I give free travel saving sites away to people. When they book their travel through the site, they're going to be saving money. But because our company buys in wholesale bulk, there's still money left over to pay me a commission. Mic drop. Yep. So my customers save money and I still earn a commission. No auto ships, no minimums, no monthly, nothing, no products in your garage, no twisting of arms, no education, no nothing. All I do is give away a free travel site to my friends and family. And then when they use the site and save money, I get a commission. Yep, that's it. Okay, so now I'm going to ask some of the frequently asked questions that people ask me if you're considering the business side of it. Okay, yes, there is an investment. You are buying into the business model. So if you're considering becoming a rep like me, yes, there's a fee for it. We can talk more about that. There's different packages, all that kind of stuff. So number one, people say, but Liz, isn't this risky? Yes and no. Yes and no. Okay. Yes, we are a brand new company. The company just started in March, so we are a brand new startup. So that makes it risky in itself. No, it's not too risky because the investment is not that much money. So not that risky. Plus, we are growing like gangbusters. So our customer base, remember, these customers are not paying anything. They're not on auto ship. They're not buying products. They have just activated a free website. We have over 100,000 customers already, okay? And we have 30,000 reps. So we have way more customers than reps. We're always going to have way more customers than reps because that's our business model. Okay, so there's the risky question answered. Number two question is this an MLM? Is this one of those pyramid things where only people at the top make money? Okay, first of all, that's how a normal business runs, like a hospital where I worked, like the CEO, CFO, CNO, all those people, They made the big money, and then us grunt workers at the bottom, the nurses, we didn't make. Actually doing the work, we didn't make very much money. That's how that works. But okay, yes, there is a network marketing or MLM model to our business model, but you do not have to participate in that. You can literally join our company as a representative and just give away free customer sites and earn those commissions off of your customers. You do not have to build a team. I am choosing to build a team because I want all the money. Yeah, I said it. It's not virtuous, but it's the truth. Okay. Number 3, what is the income potential with this company? So I'm just going to talk about the customer income potential because there's a lot of variables that go into the actual comp plan or the network marketing side of it. If you want more information about the full comp plan, I'm happy to send you a video on that. Full transparency. I'm not trying to hide anything. I'm not trying to trick you. I'm not trying to keep some information from you. Guys, it's just simple, okay? So the income potential. It is estimated that if one of our customers travels one time on a vacation once per year, that's an estimated $300 commission for me, okay? So if you were to give away one free customer site a day for a year, one free customer site a day for a year, ending up with 365 customers at the end of that year, that's an estimated $109,000 in income for you. Based on, like I said, based on an estimated $300 commission to you, okay? Estimated. I'm not guaranteeing any income. Don't let me like, oh, Liz told me I was gonna make $100,000. No, I'm not guaranteeing. It's an estimation. Some people may save $40 because they only travel for 2 days. Some people may save $2,000 because they decide to go to Egypt. It's an average and it's an estimate, okay? So, trying to make this quick because this is just, I don't like long videos, okay? I don't like them. So here's what you need to do. Are you considering this as